Do you know the giraffe is the tallest land animal on Earth? But height is only one small part of what makes this animal fascinating. Giraffes live across parts of sub-Saharan Africa, mostly in open savannas and woodlands where trees grow far apart. These landscapes allow giraffes to move easily while reaching food that few other animals can access. An adult giraffe can grow up to 18 feet tall, that is taller than a single-story building. Their legs alone can be over 6 feet long, and their neck can measure more than half the length of their entire body. Even though the giraffe's neck looks extraordinary, it is built from the same number of neck bones as a human. 7 vertebrae. The difference is that each vertebra is greatly elongated. This long neck did not evolve only to reach higher leaves. Scientists believe it also plays a role in competition between males. Male giraffes engage in a behavior called necking, where they swing their necks and heads at one another to establish dominance. Giraffes are browsers, meaning they eat leaves rather than grass. Their favorite food comes from acacia trees, which are covered in sharp thorns. To handle this, giraffes have long, tough tongues that can reach nearly 20 inches. Their tongues are dark purple or blue-black. This color comes from melanin and may help protect the tongue from sun exposure as it feeds for hours each day. Thick saliva coats the tongue, helping shield it from cuts caused by thorns. A giraffe can eat up to 75 pounds of leaves in a single day. Because leaves are low in calories, giraffes must spend most of their time feeding to maintain their energy. Despite their size, giraffes sleep very little. In the wild, they may sleep less than 2 hours per day. Often, this sleep happens in very short periods, lasting only a few minutes at a time. Most of the time, giraffes rest while standing. Lying down puts them at risk, since it takes effort and time for such a large animal to stand back up. Staying upright allows them to escape quickly if danger appears. Giraffes rely heavily on their vision. Their large eyes sit high on their heads, giving them a wide field of view. From their height, giraffes can often see predators like lions from far away. When a giraffe runs, it can reach speeds of up to 35 miles per hour for short distances. Their long stride allows them to cover a lot of ground quickly. They usually flee rather than fight. However, if cornered, a giraffe can be extremely dangerous. Its kick is powerful enough to seriously injure or kill a predator. A single kick can deliver tremendous force. Giraffes have a very specialized heart and circulatory system. Their heart can weigh over 25 pounds. It must pump blood upward more than 6 feet to reach the brain. To prevent fainting when they lower their heads to drink, giraffes have special valves in their blood vessels. These valves help regulate blood pressure and protect the brain from sudden changes. Drinking water is one of the most vulnerable moments in a giraffe's life. To reach the ground, a giraffe must spread its front legs wide apart and lower its neck. This position makes it harder to react quickly to predators. Female giraffes give birth standing up. The calf drops nearly 6 feet to the ground when it is born. This fall helps stimulate the newborn to breathe. Within minutes the calf can stand. Within hours it can walk. This rapid development is critical for survival in the wild. Giraffe calves are vulnerable to predators during their first year. Lions, hyenas, and leopards are the biggest threats. Even with a protective mother nearby, survival is not guaranteed. Giraffes are social animals, but they do not form tight herds like some species. Their groups are loose and constantly changing. Individuals may come together for short periods and then separate again. For many years, giraffes were thought to be one single species. Recent genetic research shows that there are actually several distinct giraffe species, each with its own patterns and ranges. Giraffe populations have declined significantly over the past few decades. Habitat loss, human conflict, and poaching have all contributed to their decline. Some giraffe species are now considered endangered. Despite their gentle appearance, giraffes are well adapted to a challenging environment. Their height gives them access to food, early warning of danger, and space from competition. Every part of their body plays a role in survival. The giraffe is not just tall. It is a quiet example of how evolution shapes life in remarkable ways.